tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, it definitely felt really warm outside compared to the 20s that we've been seeing for so long. Here's a look at temperatures outside right now, still holding on to 38 in Grand Rapids and Ionia. You'll notice that we are starting to cool off near the lakeshore. We actually have a little bit of cooler air that's going to be rolling in overnight tonight. That's part of a small storm system that's passing through, but it's going to be rolling through without very much fanfare at all. Temperatures tomorrow are going to be 37 degrees as another system approaches, and that system could once again bring us the chance for maybe a few flurries in the afternoon, and it will also bring us winds like we saw today. So if we look at wind speed right now, you'll notice our winds are out in the northwest. That's helping to pull in some of that cooler air, and they're right around 10 to 12 miles per hour, so it is a little brisk now that the sun is getting ready to go down. Here's a look at your satellite and radar. So system 1 is departing. We saw a cold front. Cooler air is streaming in, and here's system number 2 that's on tap for your day tomorrow. Again, notice how far north it is. It's going to continue this northerly track, which means it's going to take most of its energy with it to the north, and it's also going to be keeping most of this cold air to the north as well. Speaking of temperatures, it's been a long time since we've seen this. 60s just off to our west. Nebraska sitting at 61, Iowa 51, and all this warm air is slowly going to migrate into our area once we get to next week. So today, tomorrow, we have a little bit extra cloud cover as those two systems pass to our north. But after that, widespread sunshine and our temperatures climbing closer and closer to that 50-degree mark. I wouldn't be surprised at all if places inland saw 50s not 1 but maybe 2 days in the middle of the work week. Here's your futurecast overnight tonight. If you're worried about the clouds, 7 o'clock, partly cloudy skies, and then overnight we will see a round of clouds push on through. Lakeshore community is probably going to be a little breezier than everyone else. And then 8 a.m., that's when we're going to see our sunrise because daylight savings time pushes it back 1 hour. And after daylight saving time, it also means that our sunset on Sunday is going to be an hour later. So by 2 o'clock, middle of the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions, and then the sun sets at about 7:40. So good long stretch of sunlight here. Then Monday, 42, sunshine, no consequences. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we see widespread sunshine with our temperatures up near 48 degrees. Wednesday's really the day that I'm thinking we could see several 50s popping on the board. And the only storm system that we're worrying about is for next weekend. It's still kind of in limbo here, but you are going to want to stay tuned. Could be bringing us heavy rain. Speaking of staying tuned, stick with us. We have sports next.